Hi everyone, this is Afzal here. So let's watch out some of my live trades today. So this is my first trade on Axis Bank. So I was waiting for a quite long time. So the bank Nifty doesn't seem to have any kind of momentum until this point. I'm expecting a breakout to the lower side. As you can see that Axis Bank is going on a lower high formation, and it is getting into a consolidation phase. I'm expecting a breakdown at this point, and I have shorted the Axis Bank and expecting the stock to give me 1 is to 2 risk reward. So that is 1 is to 1.7, I guess. And my stop loss is pretty much like 0.5%, just above the level of resistance, and hoping the stock to give me a great momentum. So even the EMA line is supporting my point of view as well. So let's see anyway what happens with this. It seemed like the momentum is trending to the opposite side, which is turning to a bullish mode. I'm exiting this one at this point and booking a small loss of 0.3%. Seem like the bank Nifty is gonna have a big rally after yesterday's drop. So I was kind of in a bit confusion at this point. So I have exited with a small loss, which is 0.3%. This is my first trade, and it is a losing trade. So anyway, let's see what happens on my further trades. So the trade is on Bajaj Auto, and now 15-minute time frame. The Bajaj Auto seem like it is respecting the EMA line, and that is having a is getting into a selling pressure. So sellers are to come in as per the market depth. Sellers are getting increasing in huge numbers. I kept a stop loss of a little bit around 0.5%, like zero point 0.4 something, just above the level of resistance, and expecting a target of 1%. As you can see that the first level is a black color line, which is 0.4%, but like as per 15 minute, it is having a great drop, and it is retracing at this point, rejecting from the EMA line. So it should bring the market, the stock down. Let's see anyway what happens. So the Bajaj Finance, I had to exit at cost to cost, because I was planning to make this particular stock a riding trend, but it didn't happen. So I trailed my stop loss, and and trailing stop loss, which is at cost to cost. I exited it. So this is pretty much a cost to cost trade on Bajaj Auto. So this is a trade on Bajaj Finance, and as you can see that the Bajaj Finance is having a great momentum, and it has given a great volume on even on 5-minute time frame. So my targets would be based on the levels, and it is retracing on 15 minute and respecting the AEMA lines as well. So taking these confluence into consideration, I'm just going long with a smaller stop loss, which is around 0.4%. So anyway, let's see what happens on Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance seem to have a great momentum respecting the EMI line. So I am booking my 30% of my quantity at this level, and I'll be expecting it to give a great rally until yesterday's swing low positions, which will be something around what is it 1.9%. So that will be my ultimate target, and I would like to ride the whole trend. So anyways, let's see what happens on Bajaj Finance for the rest of my quantities. So this is my final target. I trail my stop loss accordingly, and it has given me a great profit, which is 1.9%. So still it is respecting the EMI line, but I see it seems like 1.9% is a great profit for a guy who does an intraday. So I'm just booking it. I'm not going into much riding, because maybe it's gonna give a strong reversal. I don't want to lose my profits. So 1.9% on Bajaj Finance happened to be a great winning trade. So yeah, let's see on the next trade. So this is a trade on LIC, Housing Finance. So the reason for making this trade is like you can see that from morning it was a kind of a choppy mode, and the candles were smaller in sizes. If you connect those trend line, you can see that it was making a triangle kind of formation. But unfortunately, the volume was not supporting the sellers, and there was a huge volume on the buyer side. Once the candle is closed, I just made my entry aggressively at this point, because it is gonna give a great momentum. Maybe it's gonna take a little bit of time at the level of trend line, but it will give me a good profit. This will be my first target, but second target eventually would be the around 20 level. So yeah, so that will be for the LIC. Anyway, let's see what happens on LIC for today's trade. So LIC has given me the target. So my expected target was something around the 20 level, but at yesterday's high price, like a swing high price, it is having a rejection. So one time, second time, it is getting rejected. So I'm just booking whatever the profit I'm getting, which is 0.85%. I'm not gonna ride this because there seem to be have a chance that it is gonna lose because it is has given a great momentum, right? So I'm just booking it with a 0.85 percentage of profit. So the this is a trade on TechM. So TechM seem to be having a great momentum, which is respecting the EMA line. So I have made my entry once it has given me the pullback once the candle came down. So this is a 15-minute time frame. Expecting the stock to give me a target of 1%. My stop loss is pretty small, which is 0.35, is below the swing low positions, and they seem to be having a greater numbers of buyers interested at this level of resistance. So once the breakout happens, I'm expecting the stock to give me a quick move. So yeah, anyway, that will be the my point of view for Techcom. Let's see what happens on this. So I have booked losses on this. It was a pretty long time. It is almost past 2 o'clock. So it is about the time for square off. So I just trail my stop loss at 0.25% because there was no enough momentum, and I booked my losses at this point. And that will be it for today. I'm done with it. So the total of we got today, Techcom I made a loss of 2.25, Bajaj Auto it is a cost to cost exit, and Bajaj Finance it is a 1.9% of profit, LIC 0.85 of profit, and Axis Bank I just made a loss of 0.3%. So total loss is 0.55%, and total profit is coming anything close to 2.5 plus. So that will be it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and do follow page Hedgewell, and get the educational content as well. So thank you so much.